Children, today we are going to read about the use of capital letters. Today we will know where capital letters are used. आज हम लोग capital letters के use के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. A sentence starts with a capital letter. Whenever we write a sentence, we will be very particular about writing it, about starting it with a capital letter. If we are writing a sentence, for example, he is my friend. Here the word he and the letter H, it will be capital because we are writing a sentence. But if we write a phrase, then the phrase will start with a small letter. At noon, this is a phrase. Here A is small. So we have to keep in our mind that a sentence starts with a capital letter. A proper noun always starts with a capital letter. If we are writing a proper noun means the name of a particular person, particular place, particular river. For example, if I say that Ram is my friend, it's a sentence that we have written. The word Ram is a proper noun, so it will start with a capital letter. The Damodar, if I write the Damodar's D, Damodar is a river, D will be capital. If we are writing a proper noun, the proper noun will start with a capital letter. Proper adjectives also start with a capital letter. Proper adjectives means adjectives which are formed from proper nouns. If we say he is an Indian, he is an Indian. Here Indian is a noun, but if I say that Indian culture, here Indian is adjective. So proper adjectives also start with a capital letter. Mostly abbreviations are written in capital letters. Abbreviations means here you see BA, this is an abbreviation, MA, each letter will be capital. Abbreviation means in an abbreviation a particular letter stands for a particular word, stands for something. For example, BA means Bachelor of Arts, MA Master of Arts. But there are some there are certain abbreviations which are written in small letters like EG, IE, AM, PM. There are some abbreviations, they are written in small letters. Most of the time abbreviations are written in capital letters, but there are some abbreviations which are written in small letters. In some cases we see acronyms. Now what are acronyms? Acronyms are read like words. For example, if you say UNESCO, UNESCO, so this is not an abbreviation, no dots are there. This is an acronym because it here in UNESCO each letter stands for a word, but it is read like a word. It is not a word like SIM of a mobile, SIM. These three letters are different, and in these three letters each letter stands for a particular word, but we read it like a word. So this is not regarded as an abbreviation but an acronym. So acronyms are written in capitals, mostly abbreviations are written in capitals. There are some abbreviations which are written in small letters, and there are some abbreviations where the first letter of that particular abbreviation will be capital and the rest will be small. Whenever we have to write the names of organizations or any institutions, any club, we will start with capital letters. For example, if we have to write Sindri College, Sindri, S will be capital, college is C will be capital, and then Sindri's S will be capital. The name of organization, if you have to write Delhi University, the Delhi University. Universities, U will be capital, Delhi's D will be capital. So names of organizations, names of educational institutions, any organizations, any clubs, any hospital or whatever will start with capital letters. Titles and designations, they also start with capital letters. Titles means, the word titles means The words which come before someone's name like Mr., Miss, Sir, they will start with capital. Mr., Miss, Sir, all these will start with capital. Designations. He is the headmaster. The post that someone holds is the designation. Headmaster's H will be capital. Principal's P will be capital. If we write assistant teacher, assistants A will be capital, teachers T will be capital. So the names of days, months, languages, communities, festivals, religions, etc. start with capital letters. If we have to write the name of a particular day, for example, we will write Monday, M will be capital. It will start with a capital letter, Monday. If we write the name of months, like we have to write April, A will be capital. Languages, Hindi, H will be capital. If we write the name of communities, Gujarati, the Gujarati community, the Bihari community, the Bengali community, the first letter will be capital. If we write the names of festivals like Durga Puja, D will be capital, Durga's D will be capital and Puja's P will be capital. If we write Muharram, M will be capital. If we write the name of religion, we write Christianity, C will be capital. We write, here we have a poem on the board, the way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Here we see that each line starts with a capital letter. Whenever we come across a poem, we see that, or if we happen to write a poem, we will keep it in our mind that the first letter of every line will be capital. Here, the way a crow, T is capital, shook down on me, S is capital, the dust of snow, T is capital, from a hemlock tree, F is capital. So, whenever we come across a poem or whenever we happen to write a poem, we have to keep in mind that the first letter of every single line of the poem will start with a capital letter, will be capital. However, the modern poets, they do not agree with this. When we write something within inverted commas, the first letter will be capital. For example, if I write, he said, my friend is poor, my friend is poor. So here M is capital. If we have to write something within inverted commas, we have to keep in mind that whenever we start the inverted comma, the first letter will be written in capital. The names of books, magazines, chapters, newspapers, reports, stories, articles, etc. start with capital letters. For example, if we have to write the name of a book, for example, we will write here A Tale of Two Cities, A Tale of Two Cities. We have to write this. How we will write? Here we see that more than one word we have got here, A Tale of Two Cities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words are there. Every or each, you may say, each and every word starts with a capital letter. But here we will keep in mind that if in between we get any preposition, any conjunction, any article, then that particular preposition or conjunction or article will start with a small letter, and the rest of the words will start with capital letters. Here A is capital, tails T is capital, but ops O is small because it is a preposition. So if we get a preposition in between, any article in between or any conjunction in between, then that will be written, that will start with a small letter, but the rest of the words will start with capital letters. The same thing applies in the case of newspapers, reports, stories, articles, etc. Newspapers, the Times of India, if we write, how we will write? The Times of India. Here we see time, the Times of, here O is small, India, here T is capital, this T is capital, India's I is capital, but ops O is small because it's a preposition. This is all about today's class. Thank you very much.